unterminated path is a path with a connector specified at one end and a bare path at the other end. As per the previous section, if the connectors that are connected to this path are the type where pins are inserted into a connector shell, then a pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation of which pin types are needed. Pin linking is simpler in a connector-to-connector situation. Click on an unterminated path, making sure the connector is specified at one end and there is a bare path at the other. An undefined connector at the other end will stop you from setting the pin out. Click on Set Pin Out. Select the wire type you want to link to the connector and click on the pins you want to connect it to. For multi-core cables, the process is similar to a connector-to-connector situation. By default, the unterminated termination will be tinned ends. If a different termination option is required, then this needs to be selected before linking, from the drop-down list above the auto-link sliders. Please note, a single connector, for example ring terminals, ferrules, fast-ons, can only be specified here in an unterminated cable and not in the connector selection page. Banana connectors are a special case, and can be specified in both places, although only here if more than one banana is required at the end of a path. Also, if the wrong type of termination is linked to a pin, at the moment that link has to be removed to change the type of termination. This will be fixed in the next release. The section pins is a special type. These are pins designed to fit into a connector shell. You may require this if you want to fit a custom cable into an existing cable assembly, for example a mass interconnect connector, or for use in ghost locations for sub-assemblies. We will see this functionality later in this demo. Wire labelling. Clicking Labelling above the auto-link slider allows labelling to be added to all cores. The labelling is currently the text in the pinout table. This feature may be improved upon in the next or later release. There are currently three choices of labelling: yellow printed heat shrink, white printed heat shrink, and a plastic cable marker. These are colour coded by a number or letter. There is no option for specifying a particular colour to a letter or digit. Screening options are exactly the same as for connector-to-connector paths. Click Use Changes to confirm the pinout of the unterminated location.